my friends, welcome back to my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Today in my southern kitchen, I'm going to share with all of y'all a great breakfast and brunch recipe that'll be perfect to serve for your mom on Mother's Day morning for breakfast in bed and Mother's Day brunch. We're going to make southern breakfast casserole. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and it's breakfast all in one pan. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and you'll want to make this every year. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more breakfast and brunch recipes, check out my breakfast and brunch recipes playlist and my previous video, baked cheese grits. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your eggs, grate up your cheese, and brown up your sausage sugar, because we're about to bake some breakfast casserole magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, over here I have my 9 by 13 inch baking dish, and I spread it with butter flavored cooking spray, or you can grease it with butter. We're going to add in 1 pound of frozen hash browns that I thawed. I'm using the shredder, or you can use the dice. Going to spread it evenly. Alright, so now we're going to set our hash browns aside while we cook our sausage. Before we cook our sausage, I want to give a shout out to my good friend Charlotte. She sent me this beautiful pan. I'm very excited to cook with it. Thank you, girlfriend. I have my fire over medium heat. I have my breakfast sausage. I have a pound roll of maple flavored pork sausage, or you can use the original or the hot and spicy or turkey sausage, whatever your heart desire. And into our sausage, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of onion powder. We're going to break the meat up. Going to break them into big size chunks. You don't want no small pieces of meat. Oh, it smells good. Love the smell of onion powder, and I can smell the maple from the sausage. And we're going to let the sausage cook until it's brown. And as soon as it browns, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, our sausage is nice and brown. Ain't nothing like the smell of sausage cooking in the morning. Gets you right out of bed. And bacon too, oh yes. You can also substitute the sausage for bacon if you like, or diced ham. So now we're going to set the sausage aside while we get our eggs ready. In my bowl, I have my eggs. The recipe called for 5 large eggs, but I only have medium, so I got 2 medium eggs for each 1 large egg. So that's 10 eggs in total. And into our eggs, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And our seasonings, 1 teaspoon each of kosher salt and white pepper, or you can use black, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground sage. And give it a quick whisk until everything's well combined. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish whipping up my eggs, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, our eggs is nice and whipped. Now we're ready to assemble our casserole. We're going to pour the eggs on top of the hash browns. Next, we're going to add in the cheese. I have 16 ounces of Colby-jack cheese that I shredded, or you can use sharp cheddar or Velveeta cheese, whatever your heart desires. We're going to sprinkle on half, like so. And now we're going to add on the sausage right on top. And last but not least, the remaining shredded cheese. My friends, look at this money shot. You can see the sausage and the cheese and the hash browns, the eggs. Oh, it's about to get down. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. Gonna cover it with some aluminum foil. Alrighty, girlfriends, time for you to go into the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna let it bake for 1 hour. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, time to remove the foil. Oh yeah, gorgeous. So now we're going to place it back in the oven and let it bake for another 10 minutes. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern breakfast casserole. Don't that look good? And it smells amazing. Look at the sausage and all that cheese melted in there. Oh, my mouth's watering. So now I'm going to let it rest for about 5 minutes, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give the taste. All right, my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The sausage is perfectly cooked, and the eggs and the hash browns tender. The cheese is nice and gooey, bursting with flavor, and they're all perfectly layered. This breakfast casserole is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Breakfast casserole-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Mother's Day.